We're here in Gallery 3 in MOSTYN, Wales, Wales' foremost and largest contemporary visual arts centre. This particular exhibition is by Mladen Bizumic. Mladen was an artist who's been tracking for a number of years, and he seemed like a great artist to bring in to draw a parallel with other aspects of what we're doing with the exhibition programme. In particular, the series of exhibitions called the History Series. Mladen is a New Zealand-raised and Austrian-based artist, and since 2013 his artwork has been predominantly focused on the company Kodak, and it tracks really, just like this exhibition does, a sort of timeline of Kodak's development right through to the present day, to its subsequent failings. It filed for bankruptcy in lieu of companies that were progressing far further rate than they could ever achieve, due to the fact that film is being replaced now with digital means of taking photography, such as smartphones, and technology really has an effect on how we live our lives. And since the inception of the rise of digital technology, it's been replaced. And how this exhibition deals with it is, it talks about Instagram as one of the kind of main people who have replaced Kodak. So Mladen Bizumic's exhibition is titled Kodak Employed 140,000 People, Instagram 13, and it takes place in the framework of what's called the Conversation series at MOSTYN. And it brings together two artists' solo exhibitions in conversation and dialogue, and presents the overlaps that can occur between artists' work. And this, the third, is by Mladen Bizumic and Laurence Kavanagh. And in many ways, the artists share an affinity for exploring the idea of the frame, production of images, circulation of images. Laurence more about cinema, takes a lot of inspiration from cinema, and of course Mladen with the actual a sort of self-reflexive take of the medium of film.
We are in the exhibition of Laurence Kavanagh. Laurence is an artist, is a British artist based in London, originally from Liverpool. And Kavanagh's work is very sculptural, as you can probably see behind me, although it starts his life as image. It's an investigation, let's say, of what it means to see and to be seen, and what its representation and to be represented. And she started about 10 years ago to investigate the idea of image making through photography, sculpture, and cinema. He's taking his starting point for his work in what's going on behind the scene of representation, so not, let's say, analyzing the surface of the image, whatever the image might be in photography or in cinema, but the materiality of the image, what the image is made of. Going beyond actually the two dimension of the image by tapping into his formation of sculpture, creating a self-sustaining cycle when the image is taken as something that is projected, as something that is represented, and then recontextualizing that image in a new work.